Can you believe it? No garden, no big budget, no growing experience, and you can still harvest fresh herbs right in your own home every single day. Today, I'm going to share with you an incredibly simple technique, but surprisingly clever. And the most magical part? The most important secret lies in something you've been throwing in the trash every single morning. First, let me introduce today's cast of characters. A pot. It doesn't need to be new. It doesn't need to be pretty. What matters is that it has drainage holes at the bottom. This is the one non-negotiable condition to keep the roots from rotting. Growing medium. Unlike regular garden soil, it's lighter and more airy, making it easy for young roots to spread out and breathe. A recycled plastic cup. This little thing will become the heart of the entire self-watering system we're going to make ourselves. And finally, a ripe banana. This is the kind of natural fertilizer that almost no one thinks of. Now we're going to turn an ordinary plastic cup into a smart watering device, completely handmade, costing absolutely nothing. Take a heated metal skewer and gently pierce small holes around the sides of the cup and along the bottom as well. You don't need many, just enough to let water seep out slowly. Line the drainage hole at the bottom of the pot with a used coffee filter or any piece of paper. The purpose is to keep the soil from washing out with the water while still allowing water to drain freely. This is a little trick from seasoned gardeners. Pour a layer of growing medium into the pot. Enough for the plastic cup to stand upright when placed in the center. Then fill the medium around the cup, pressing it down gently but firmly. One important note, leave the cup's rim sticking about 2-3 centimeters above the soil surface. This is where we'll pour water and add fertilizer. From here on out, you simply pour water into the cup and the system takes care of the rest. And now comes my favorite part. The part that catches most people off guard, banana peel. Simple, right? But this is actually one of the best organic fertilizers you can find right in your own kitchen. Banana peels are extremely high in potassium, the mineral that drives strong plant growth, flowering, and disease resistance. They also contain nitrogen and phosphorus, the foundational trio of nutrients that every plant needs. Chop the banana peel into small pieces and place them inside the cup. Pour water in. The water will dissolve the nutrients from the peel and carry them down to feed the roots below. As the peel gradually dries out and breaks down, it continues releasing nutrients into the soil, like a miniature slow-release fertilizer pod, sitting right inside your pot. Now it's time to plant the first seeds of green life. For today's pot, I've chosen 3 herbs, rosemary, lavender, and basil. 3 ideal kitchen companions that are also incredibly beginner-friendly. Make a small hole in the growing medium, place the seedling in, and gently firm the soil around the base. No need to press hard, young roots are very delicate. Treat them as if you're laying a baby down in a cradle. Once planting is done, water gently around the base of each plant, not directly onto the leaves, to avoid snapping the tender new stems. Finally, and this is the factor that makes or breaks everything, is where you place the pot. Herbs don't like harsh direct sunlight, but they can't survive in darkness either. Find them a spot with filtered natural light, beside a window, on a covered balcony, or a well-lit corner of the living room. That's their ideal environment. Water once a day. Simply pour into the plastic cup and let the system handle the rest. You don't need a big garden. You don't need experience. You just need to start. Give it a try today and let me know in the comments, which herb will you plant first? Basil? Lavender? or something else you've been dying to grow? If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with the women around you, because everyone deserves their own little green corner at home. See you in the next video. Wishing your garden always stays green and thriving.